cheesy garlic bread. It tastes great with all kinds of things and even just by itself. Today, I'm making my upgraded version of the famous cheesy garlic bread from Clearman's Northwoods Inn restaurants here in Southern California. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good.
Yay!
Full disclosure, you can buy Clearman's bread at some Southern California grocery stores, but it's pricey, and some of the ingredients just don't work for me. I'm using all natural ingredients with no weird oils and no high fructose corn syrup. Check the description for a full list of ingredients.
I place all my ingredients into my stand mixer, set it on low, and mix until all ingredients are combined. Then I set my mixer on high and allow it to run for 15 minutes. Then I turn off the mixer, scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl with a spatula, and turn it back on and run it for an additional 15 minutes. Now I'm going to repeat this cycle 2 more times for a total of 4 15-minute cycles. The result is a light, fluffy, cheesy garlic spread that spreads easily and melts evenly.
Okay, our spread is ready to use right away and is best at room temperature. It'll keep for weeks in the fridge, but be sure it's not cold and hard when you go to use it or it'll rip up your bread. For me, I want a bread that has some substance to it, not one that's flimsy or squishy, and I want it to add some flavor. So I'm choosing a nice big loaf of sourdough.
I cut my sourdough on the bias into about 1-inch thick slices, which allows the spread to brown nicely and makes it crispy on top while staying tender and flavorful underneath. I spread a generous amount of my cheesy garlic spread over the entire surface of the bread, place my slices on a baking sheet, put the sheet in the oven with the rack in the lower middle position, set my heat to broil, and let them cook until lightly golden brown. These can go from a nice golden brown to very dark, very fast, so please be sure to keep an eye on them so they don't burn.
To keep my family running to the dinner table, I serve this cheesy garlic bread with all kinds of meals, like this incredible veggie lasagna made in a crock pot. Check it out. If you feed them this, believe me, they will come and they will be happy. Today, I'm making my upgraded version of the famous cheesy garlic bread from Clearman's Northwoods Inn.
It was going so well.
It was.
All to the battle.